few years ago, I was a t-shirt seller, and when I first get started, I tried to be totally original. I tried to use my creativity to create something that is not in the marketplace, so there's no competitor. So I remember I designed like 20 different t-shirts. They're all totally original, right? So I was so excited when I was launching those t-shirts. But guess what? After I launched those products, I figured out no one's buying them. So I feel so frustrated. I was like, why? Why no one's buying? Those are not new idea. Those are original idea. Then I took some courses about how to sell t-shirt online. So I want to figure out how those top sellers come up with the idea. Then I found that all they did is they go to the marketplace and they model after the proven seller, right? So they actually never create anything new. All they did is they go to the marketplace and they say, oh, this t-shirt is really great. Oh, this t-shirt is sell really well. So they go there to generate ideas. They model after those proven design and put together a new design. So that's how you can create an offer. So when you are creating the offer, the last thing you want to do is you want to do it totally originally, right? You want to create a total original idea. And the reason why is that even though you can still do that, it will take lots more time and money for you to trial and error. And that's the reason why when you are putting together an offer, the first thing you want to do is not sitting down and write everything down on a piece of paper. All you need to do is you want to go to the marketplace to check what your competitors are selling, and you want to model after them and create a new offer. So the word I'm using is model, right? So I don't say you want to copy them. No, you don't copy them, you model them. You take their layout, their style, their package offer, then you try to create something new out of it, right? So how do we do about that? So the process is called offer hacking, right? So all you need to do is you go to the marketplace and you see what your competitors are selling. Then you want to write down what are their deliverables, right? What's their offer? What's the products? Is that the book? Is that the members area? Is that the challenge, right? Then you want to write down what their price, right? So what the price point they are selling, or do they offer any discount, right? And also you want to know what are the bonuses, right? So do they offer maybe free Facebook group, free coaching call, things like that? Then also you want to know if there's any terms. Do they offer like payment plans? Do they offer like trial period? And also you want to know what are their guarantee, right? Do they offer 30 days money back guarantee? Do they offer like 1 year money back guarantee? And also you can know if they are giving their audience a reason to buy now, right? So you want to write down everything from their offer, then you can actually just compare different offers from your competitors, right? Then you can use those as the basis of your entire business model. You can create your offer based on that. So that is offer hacking. I hope you enjoyed that. I will see you soon in the next one.